Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been over there, but that is our next story on its own, and we shall get to that one of these days. So today we'll be unboxing some Amazon packages. So let's get into it. We're not going to have any long videos, right? So yeah, let me see what's in this. All right, so just one thing in this is my everyday perfume, Fancy by Jessica Simpson. Yeah, so that is my everyday perfume, right? I needed a refill, so I ordered it. All right, so this was sent to me. It's Black Diamond Bergamo Breeze. It's a laundry wash. So this is it. I have to go find a photo because I didn't know that was sent to me. And this is also, what is this? A bio-based all-natural cotton board oil, wax and conditioner. It has refined coconut oil, beeswax, and one next caronaba wax. So I don't, from Black Diamond. So it prevents the drying and cracking. It extends the life of the cutting boards. So I can use it on my cutting board. I don't even know. You know what? I don't know. I did not. Yeah. All right. What is in this now? Is still on? Yeah. What's this? Oh. So this is Pop Darts. So it's a game. I can probably, the drill, play it on TikTok, right? So I'll show you how this works on TikTok. Okay? Oh, that was also sent to me. I did not purchase that, but I know of that one. This was also sent to me. It's an invisible nipple cover. So when you can't wear bra with certain things. Yeah. So this is adhesive and it's non-adhesive. So I'm supposed to try them and review them and let them know how it is. I'm interested in a non-adhesive one because my God, sometimes, like wow. All right. Let's see what's in this. Oh, a next game. So this is Put Your Finger Down. So this might be one of my. Oh, this is. I'm so ashamed to tell you what month it is, but it's like a couple days from Christmas. I said before about our story time to tell you guys. It's been a story time. So this is Put Your Finger Down. I will show you how this this old game works with this for this on TikTok. All right, a full video on TikTok. This now is a power cord, right? I hope it fits. It is for my humidifier. But can't find the card. Right? Me look. Me don't know right there. You know what I think? Better say Since I buy this now, the color will show up somewhere, somehow. But I pray to God it fits. I go check right now. Alright, so this is my humidifier. I've had it a very long time now. So it plug in, it snap. Yeah, it look like it a go fit. Shop try plug it in. Let's see. Fit turn on, no nothing in there. But I need it now for like my congestion. Yeah. Let me try. Ah, it works. Praise God. Oh, look it off now. I look it off again. You know what I'm gonna use it? Use it in a very long while, so remember how it work. I'm just glad to say it's on, it's working, and it's just 6 minutes. So what am I gonna do? Me have some things where me have to unbox because I shut the come. I'm gonna just get rid of the box them, but me never remember them box there. Cause these were they were in my next bag, right? Never really remember. But these are small. I can fold them up and put them in the bin. So I'm gonna go show you some other stuff for me to buy. Alright, so I'm gonna show you a DIY. Well, I don't know for it myself. I just see on Instagram. I'm have some for patch. So this is the wall patch. Big door, right? So then to forget this, I'm really also buy this. Is a sanding sponge, right? With different size and grit on them something there, right? I will also buy this because it's expensive out here. And I think we need something else. But what next something we need, we can buy it out here. So not just buy that out here. But these stuff is a better buy it online, right? So I'm just catch this. That's a DIY project. And I'm gonna do it. I'm just see the things there, I'm gonna show the video and say, just do this, you know? It don't look odd. It don't look odd at all. Right? Then now about two um the wall outlet thingy. I have a Alexa, right? I want to keep it not the same, I want it away. So hopefully this can work for fit my other stuff then plus the Alexa. Right? So I bought two different types. So one of them must work. Asking the Lord, one of them have to work. Next one can probably go in my office space. This big door, mercy. Mercy, mercy, this big man. Look what is big. It cover the whole socket. I don't know which one will work, but we will see. We shall see. Um, so that's that. There's not much stuff left. Lad, and if you can see the table, but it is getting very packed. Alright, so me see this now. Let me see this. What's my Instagram? Me see this. You just put over your iron so scotch your clothes. Stick to your clothes. So you just go over your iron while you're ironing. So it doesn't no sticking can go and mess up your clothes while you're ironing. So I got that. And this now is a nice little headset. I don't know if it's nice. It was a headset, right? It's quite affordable for persons like work from home or so. It has the mic and everything, and it's a USB plug. So I will unbox this on TikTok and test it out so you guys can know. What else we need to show now? The video basically done. This now is a pineapple horror. It basically you take out the core of the pineapple. And you can cut up neat and nice and pretty. So you slide this down here, so you push this right down. Oh, see that? So this the pineapple, you cut off the top part, right? And you just push it right down and turn and pull, and then you get the nice, pretty round one, like say the resort. Yeah. So the inside I got pretty and nice. So I like pineapple. I like pineapple. I can also probably keep the skin on so well neat and nice, and put little food in it, like me see them something on Instagram, but me not so exotic. Just saying that you can do it. I don't know, but me not too experimental like that. But we really want to try the like we're about to put one pineapple right now and try it. So I'm buy one. Well, so I'm buy one right now and try it. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Now more stuff for sure, but that's the next video. Next video. I don't want it so long. Enough. Let me see how much. 10 minutes. You want me to just done the Amazon something? Cause I'm gonna just do it. Alright, so one video has enough something, and why since I'm doing it now, but I'm just continue and to just pause and wait for next day. So these are more cleaning stuff and for our next game. So this is the pink stuff, power foaming toilet cleaner. So it comes with 2 packs. You just pull it, put in a toilet, it foams. You wait for a couple minutes, you scrub, clean. So I tend to do like clean and then use that for additional, yeah. This now is the Glad Drawstring Sweet Citron and Lime. It doesn't smell bad. So I'm gonna keep this for it's 80 coming at it, 80 scented. I'll keep this in the bathroom trash can. I use that in the bathroom trash can. This one now. This is the pink stuff. Let me see. Let's see what this. Oh, so this is the pink stuff. Squeeze it dual. It's a sponge and a scrubber. So sponge, this is really hard. A scrubber. So you can use it anywhere in your house, so kitchen, bathroom, outdoors, for stubborn dirt and stains, right? So bathroom, sink, shower, cabinet, but just be careful because this is very hard, right? So as I said before, me reveal what date or no, what month it is. It's December. So this is one of the reasons why I needed to do this video. I need my stuff so I can clean, right? The Christmas cleaning, that's what I mean. Christmas cleaning, yeah. The one where we're accustomed to growing up, yes. One different type of cleaning, deep cleaning. So these are the Febreze. There you go again. There you go again. Febreze small spaces. So I like them. So I normally, what's your? Oh, them change it up. Then change it up. Kind of, I want to put the press. Now you can press, slide it up. So I like these. So I tend to put them in the bathroom as well for additional freshen up. But if you never know what scent they made to backside. I don't know what scent are these. Oh, it's a sweet watermelon vine and southern lilac mornings. Alright. Okay. So I normally have them. You Can put them in the car anyway. Them really smell nice. And them lasting. But then change up boy still. Can we buy a lot? So with it mine finish. So I say my order some. Cause when me go away, me get a lot of them. This look like linen sky. Let me see. It look like linen sky to me. Refresh and energize. So I have I have more. I have more. But it's a good purchase. You can invest in it for you. Let me see which one. This also linen and sky here. So after I'm done clean, I'm gonna just pop one here, there, and so. So I use a lot of them. Camera say it's really nice. Yeah, so this is linen and sky. All links will be in the description box below, including the ones the women know where they come from. I will find them. This snow, this qualification. This snow, with a brush, we get a little crevice and corner them. Yeah. Scrub, scrub, scrub. There's a pack of 3. So a good bare things are going. Bare things is going in. This one is the next game. But I then pack up the game, so I'm gonna start host games night. Probably charge. How about the games are out front and charge people and what do you think? So this come like, I would think this come like Jenga. It's the ultimate party tower. So it look like a Jenga to me. Jenga knockoff. So these look like they might be New Year's party. New Year's party games. Because Christmas I'm going to be busy. So this look like New Year's party games. So yeah, basically see. Just did no one video I'm done. So like 60 minutes or so. Probably that. Yeah. So we reached the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Not big on a please subscribe. You know, cost nothing, you know, just click a button, you know. Click the button. Subscribe. That's it. So catch you back on the next video. I have some sheen stuff, but I have a Christmas tree. What am I gonna put up? That might not show. But anyways, take care. Happy season greetings and bye.